Hello friends. So in my previous video I have shown you how to create Kubernetes cluster with two nodes. One was master and one worker node, and the deployment was done on Amazon EC2 Red Hat server. So today I am going to show you how to access the dashboard of Kubernetes. So I have done some research and find a proper way to do it because I was struggling a lot, but somehow I finally found the way. So first thing you need to do, you need to forward the tunneling or port forwarding of 8080. So for that, this command you need to use, and in general way how you connect to your EC2 machine. So let's just connect to our server. Then I have written some certain steps. You guys need to follow the same step. So first thing you need to run this command. I'll put this command into the description so you can use this. So once you do, you need to get this all the created message. So you see the dashboard metrics, everything got created. Now you need to create the user account for this dashboard. So I can create here, or I can create a directory dashboard. So I'll just create it here. So you need to paste this information. That's it. And you need to create one more file for role binding, and you need to paste this information. Now you need to run this command. This will run both YML file that you have created using Kubernetes. So you see, you will get this output. This both got created. Now here is the trick. So you cannot directly use dashboard from your local machine. So that's why we did the port tunneling. So we need to use the port forwarding now, but before that we will need a secret key to create, so that we'll be able to access the dashboard using that secret key. So you see, when you run this command, you'll get this secret key. Just copy paste it in your place. So I just copied here. Now I will run this command. So when I run this, so it started on localhost 8443. Remember, do not use Chrome browser, because if you use Chrome browser it will not work. So if I type https localhost 8080, okay. So now it's working here also, that's good. So you see, it's asking the token based. So now we need to use the token we have here. So this token will pass, and will pass this token and click sign in. So you see, now I am able to access the dashboard. Sometime this dashboard might not work from the Chrome, so you can use Firefox. I was facing this problem, then I use this Firefox and just go advanced, and you just accept the risk. So this is also one way. And this token, you can paste the token again here and paste. So you will paste the same token there. Yeah, so you see, now I can able to see the dashboard. So that's it. This is it for today. So in the next video I'll install Docker, and I will try to run some Docker container on Kubernetes. So thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Please do subscribe my channel, like the video. Thank you. Bye.